And Steve with EstateMax here, coming to you live from Northwest Washington, D.C., where we have a really interesting 1940s house loaded with interesting stuff to show you. I'm going to give you your preview video right now. Sale will take place Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5th, 6th, and 7th. That's right after the 4th of July. Friday the 5th at 10 a.m. we open for best selection. This sale is just packed with Asian and African treasures from a lot of world travel. Really nice piano, ton of costume jewelry, but the Asian and African items really stand out. It's a really pretty house. The address of this sale will be announced as per usual the day before on Wednesday or Thursday. Check on EstateMax page on Facebook. Check on estatesales.net. And we will publish as many places as we can. This is your preview video. Again, this is Steve with EstateMax. Pretty piano. Again, we have beaucoup costume jewelry with a little fine jewelry hidden in there, I'm sure. There always is. Ladies' handbags and apparel. Classic 30s, 40s, and 50s furniture abounds. You're on the first floor now. Some beautiful furniture pieces, including a Bassett dining room I'll show you in a minute. But we have everything from a baby grand piano to classic furniture from the 30s, 40s, and 50s to fur coats. We have some beautiful fur coats here. It's kind of hard to film a fur coat because of the lighting, but we have about 7 of them. 3 here and 3 or 4 upstairs too. A lot of elephant stuff from the sorority days. Let's walk through the rest of the first floor and see what we can discover. Japanese dolls. Asian artwork. Tiffany remakes. Wait till you see this clock. This clock is not a reproduction. This is a 1909 clock gifted by the mother of the family. It's beautiful. It's inscribed inside a 1909 vintage. This beautiful cabinet is full of Asian art. Here's your Bassett 3-piece set with a neat wing chair. Love that. Some more art. Do a 360 of the room. Once again, we're in Northwest DC, right off of 16th Street at Crittenden. The actual address will be announced on the day before the sale on our Facebook page, cleverly entitled EstateMax, on estatesales.net. Again, we're looking at July 5, 6, and 7 for a sale you're not going to want to miss. That's a pretty cabinet, a lot of crystal there. Gold-plated sterling, I believe. That's a pretty piece. In the kitchens, if it's not marked, you can make us an offer. A lot of nice things here. I think we'll go downstairs first and then we'll go upstairs. And here's a basement forever landlocked into the 1950s or so. There's a built-in bar, and again, a lot of tchotchkes and one-of-a-kind art pieces from World Travels. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Mixture of souvenirs plus quality items. These are the $8 and $6 tables. Or if it's unmarked, you can make us an offer too. Some nice glassware, crystal and stemware. Some nice old pieces there. And we're going to swing back through the utility room, and then we'll head upstairs. All games are $6, and we have Christmas here as well. In the utility room, we have a sampling of some tools and cages. There's a Metro shelving rack there. Christmas base. Chemicals. Card table chairs. Miscellaneous stuff to dig through so you can look for your hidden treasures. Power cords and dehumidifiers. And we're now on the second floor of our 1940s Washington, D.C. home, showing you some fur coats, some really classy ladies' shoes, selling at really good prices. So again, those are some really classy fur coats. Walk into some of the bedrooms, where we have some flannel carpets. Another guest bedroom. Ladies' purses and apparel. Here's the apparel closet. Pretty 4-poster bed and some more Asian rugs. That's a beautiful headboard, footboard, 4-poster. Get a better view of that. Really classy piece. And the rugs are nice. And there's a little more on the third floor if you dare. But I'm kind of running out of juice, so we're going to end this video saying Steve from EstateMax for Lori. We'll see you in Washington, D.C. July 5, 6, and 7 for this cool 1940s house, which is just loaded with stuff. So we'll see you then.